Good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is Monday. I hope you've had a great weekend. 14th of August. Let's go through the pairs, see what's happened over the weekend. USD we're not in a trade right now. We're still bullish, but we're at a potential resistance zone, and Friday's candle wasn't very strong. So I would like to wait to see if breakout of this zone is completed, or if it's gonna get rejected and bounce back before making a decision. USD CAD currently we're in profit, even though Friday was indecision. It's nothing to do here. Still waiting for it to push up if it can. Nothing on USD mostly indecisions. AUD we are in profit, about to hit TP. But for today entry, looks like the movement has slowed down a lot compared to these movements or larger overall movement. So I would expect quite a pullback now. So I'm not entering on this one. AUD New Zealand, we have a strong bullish, and that was a win, I believe. Let's have a look at. Yes, that was a win on Friday. One candle win. That's rare. So we're gonna go for another buy here. It's very simple. I'm just gonna increase the stop loss a little bit lower, and 1-to-1 just before the highs there. $20. Market open. Go for a buy. AUD New Zealand. AUD CAD. We're not in any trade right now. We are at a resistance zone potentially. But I'm still gonna sell this because the movement is down, and it might break this zone as long as there is a possibility. So 1-to-1, just gonna put my stop loss a little bit larger in case it bounces back a little bit, so I have time to get out at break even perhaps. Say UD CAD, AUD, USD, we are in profit for now, still at a resistance zone down below. Hasn't really moved much, but we'll see what happens. Leave it be for now. No new entries. AUD Alright, so Friday we closed in red. Today I'm gonna put an alert here. If it comes back up, give me a wick and I'll close it at break even. New Zealand CAD. We're in profit right now. It's pushing down pretty nicely. I don't know if it's gonna bounce here, and I don't care. What we're gonna do, just gonna sell, add to this position, one up top, 1-to-1 for another hopefully nice profit. If both of them make it down, we have two winners. If not, well, it is what it is. We'll manage it. So that's another sell. New Zealand CAD, New Zealand CHF. Similarly, we follow this move down as long as there is momentum. Friday closed strong bearish. Follow this down. I should always remember to adjust this because of the spread. Alright, New Zealand USD, same thing. We just keep going down about it. As long as price is moving clearly, I have no reason to not to be in a trade. Enter a market, $20, sell. New Zealand JPY, nothing here, no trades, just going sideways. But European's interesting because now I don't know what's happening, so we leave this be. Even though we have a strong bearish, the trend looks like it's up into the zones. I might come back trying to break this zone, or it might push back, try to confusing. Never mind. Euro CHF. Right, what's happening here? I'm gonna close this one. I don't know why my stop loss take profit wasn't there. Weird. Anyway, so we're out of this already since this is a 1-to-1. So that's a loss from Friday actually, and I'm reluctant to enter a trade here since it's mostly sideways. We'll leave this be. Euro JPY. Okay, looks like price is kind of paused. I think I'll wait for the price to show some bigger reaction here, but no new entries. Euro AUD, we're in 2 position right now. No movement on Friday, and I don't see any areas of rejection really. For now, we just stay in this till we see some more development, hopefully, in our direction. Euro USD, nothing here. There's a possibility for this zone to break, considering this big rejection week and the bearish close. But until it does, it's basically sideways. I have no reason to assume any momentum. Euro New Zealand, yeah, we just continue with the buy right now. We're in one position. Honestly, compared to a bunch of other previous movement, Friday candle is not as strong. I think might be slowing down, so that's why I won't be entering the second position. All right, EuroCAD, we had a loss on Friday. Looks like it's failed to continue up towards these highs. I'm just gonna mark this high as well, and no, I won't be entering a new trade here. Pound JPY, we are in a buy right now, and we just maintain it for now. I won't be entering a second position on this one. Pound AUD, this looks like a good move up. I'm just gonna go for a buy here. $20 with market entry. That's a buy. That's pound AUD, and then we go pound USD. We are in a sell, but it's not really pushing down yet. Might be because of this zone, and hasn't really closed in the red either. It's just mostly just going sideways. It's pushed up, it's got rejected. I think we'll maintain this, see what happens next. Pound CAD, so it did go in our direction and came back, got rejected, and blah blah blah, and just waiting for it to show more movement. Nothing yet, leave it be. Pound CHF, no, just sideways movement. Pound New Zealand, whoa, oh, okay, we had 2 winners, had 2 positions open here, both of which have won. That's a very good push up, and yeah, I'm just gonna follow this up with another position. I have no reason not to. Looks to be good enough. Hopefully price keeps that momentum up. CAD CHF, nothing here. We did have a loss on Thursday, and that's about it. Hasn't moved since then. CAD JPY, 2 winners as well. 2 winners on CAD JPY. Is it gonna break? Is it not gonna break? I have no idea. I'll just wait for it to break first or bounce, then we'll find out, I suppose. I'm gonna mark this high as well for next movement if it breaks. CHF JPY, Friday, not very bullish, but we're still in green, leave it be, maintain this position. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you like these videos, and I'll keep you updated for future trades. Cheers.